So if you've got crypto sitting in your Cash App and you want to move it over to Coinbase, here's the quick way to do it. First, open Coinbase and copy your wallet address for the coin you want to receive. For example, if you're moving Bitcoin, copy your Bitcoin address. Same thing for Ethereum or USDT. Now, open Cash App, tap the Bitcoin or crypto tab, then hit send. Paste in your Coinbase wallet address, double check is the right coin and network. Super important because if you send Bitcoin to an Ethereum address, it's gone forever. Next, choose how much you want to send, confirm the transfer, and Cash App will process it. Depending on the coin, it can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour to show up in your Coinbase account. Quick tip, check for network fees before you send. Sometimes it's cheaper to send stable coins like USDC instead of BTC. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.